Hi everyone, here we've got DOOGEE S88 Pro, and let me share with you how to change this navigation bar with buttons, with back button, home button and recents, into the gestures. So firstly we have to enter the settings, so let's do that, and now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on System. Here on the second position we've got gestures, so simply tap on it, and right in the middle we've got System Navigation. Here we've got two different options from which we can choose. Right now we've got 3-button navigation applied, and in order to change to the gesture navigation, just tap on this dot. Let's wait a second, and as you can see, it immediately changes. Right now we've got only the short line in the middle of our screen. Here we've got, let's say, a tutorial, a preview of how to use it, but no worries, I will show you it also. What's more, we can tap on this settings icon, and here we can set the back sensitivity options, so we can make it lower or higher. It is just, you can just change the sensitivity of the back button, and I highly recommend to leave it somewhere here, like high, or you know, the step before high. Let's tap on OK in order to confirm. And right now let me show you how to use it. So firstly, let me show you how to go back to the previous page, and you can do it just by swiping from the edge of the screen to the middle of it, just like that. If you will see this arrow, you can go back. Of course you can do it the same way, let's say, but from this edge, from the right edge, and it will have the same effect. In order to get back to the home screen, just swipe fastly, just like that, and we are on the home screen. In order to open the recents, all you have to do is simply to swipe very gently and hold it somewhere here, and here we've got recently opened tabs. So actually that's all. This is how to change the navigation bar to the gestures in your DOOGEE S88 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.